Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the shed today and we've got a Parkside manual lawnmower. Produces a clean, precise cut. It's got a collection container of 20 litres, cutting height adjustments from 14 to 47 millimeters, working width 30 centimeters, and can cover up to 150 meters square. So let's have an unboxing and see what it's like. This is going to be a great item for like an allotment or for a garden that you've got no power or no chargeable batteries. This would be perfect. So let's have a look. So this is the lawnmower that we've got, and these are being currently sold in Lidl's, part of the Parkside range. So let's open the box and have a look at what we got. So first of all is our grass basket. This can hold up to 20 litres and just attaches to our mower. And then we've got some handles, two handles, and then we've got two bars. We've got our instructions, and we've got our mower. So this is looking pretty good. I do like the use of the non-electric and the non-battery lawnmowers, just because you can pop out, do a quick workout, quick pop out. You don't need messing about with wires or anything like that. You can just pop out, quickly do your job and get back again. So we've got some rollers on the back and the cutting blade, and we've got our cutting heights. We can adjust the height of the blades just by doing these, doing them up. That adjusts the height. And then we've got a bag of fixing bolts. So this is for the handle. And we've got two of those. So let's have a look at how these work out and work out where they go. Well, one description. There we go. So this bottom bar fits onto two circle brackets here and here. So that fits on there, one like that, and then one just needs to push it over onto the other side, just like that. So that's the first section done. And then we've got two parts of the handle. They go on here. So we've got our two poles. They insert in here using the bolt. Bolt goes through the back. and then we screw this one on the top. We've got 2 of those. 1, 2. Making sure the red knob's on the outside. Just like that. And then 2 on the other side. One. These can be taken off just for taking in the car for easy use. 1, 2. So pretty straightforward, just no difficult screws, no needing any tools. And then the last one is the final handle. And that one slots in whoa. Like that, there we go. 1. Bit of persuasion. We undo these first. There we go. And then screw in the bottom, red one on the top. And then the last bolt the side. There's always one tricky one. There we go, we've got it in there. Trying to do this on a metal table is not the best idea. So there we go, fitting the last one in. Tighten them all up. There we go. So we've got our case. We attach it to the two prongs. We've got our piece of strap. We click it together. There we go, and that's our grass cage. So we're ready to go. Let's go. So there we go, that's it all attached. So we're ready to go. So one last job to do is we've got these little pins and they just attach just to stop the handle from falling off. One either side, which is a bonus because that used to happen in the older ones. So there we go. That's our blade. We're ready to go. Let's go and cut some grass. So this is the mower. Attaching our basket. Just going to attach the strap to catch the grass. Just making sure all the things are tight. There we go, and away we go. Let's cut some grass. I got one of these at the allotment. It does give a good workout. We just go and unclip, empty the grass. It does tend to come out the front a bit though. So there we go. That's the Parkside lawnmower. Does put a bit of effort into it, which is also good. The grass tray does tend to let the grass out if it gets too much, so that's one problem. If you're on an allotment, don't want to clip the grass, that's fine, it works well. So there we go. Parkside lawnmower. Let me know in the comments. Have you used a push-pull lawnmower like the old days? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be great. Cheers.